welcome back to my channel. Today I recreated Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look of yesterday. She took the internet by storm. Kim Kardashian killed it. I don't know how she manages to just get better and better every single year. I did a Kim Kardashian video literally like 2 or 3 years ago when she had like the bracelet and stuff, but I've never recreated any of her Met Gala looks, and I'm gonna be the first one to upload this and film this because I am sure this look will be all over YouTube. So that is what I did today. I feel so glam, like you guys have no idea. I love this kind of glam. Kim Kardashian is literally the icon of smoky eyes and nude lips, and just her hairstyle literally was the cutest. Like I would have never thought to do this hairstyle and it looked cute, but she did it and automatically it's like the most amazing hairstyle of 2018. Before we get started, if you guys are not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so down below. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited, and if you love Kim, please give it a big thumbs up. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I recreated Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look of this year, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the eyebrows. Kim is known for her skinny brows. That's what I'm gonna be achieving today, or trying to achieve. And then she has more of like a longer brow, I feel like that. You guys see how it's more of an elongated long brow. Now the brows look super messy, so that's because I am really like brushing them out, making sure they're nice and blended. Once we cover them out with concealer, they're gonna look a lot better. Alright guys, so I am done with the brows for now. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Gimme Brow by Benefit as well, and I'm gonna be using this as a brow gel, and it's also gonna add some color and texture to the brows. And then as always, I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. strips as a guide for my wing liner and also my eyeshadow. Okay guys, for today's palette, I'm gonna be using my Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. It's literally a dream of a palette. It's just amazing. And Kim literally has the smokiest eye ever. I can't really see because of the pictures, like what she has on her lid, but I am assuming it's smoky, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, is smoky eyes. So hopefully I do it justice. And I figured that this palette had all the transition shades that I needed, and it has a really black shade and like a lot of browns that she also uses. So this palette is absolutely perfect to recreate this look. So first I'm gonna start by mixing these two transition shades right over here. And I'm using a Morphe M513 brush. And her transition doesn't really go up a lot, and you can't really tell she has a transition. But obviously she does have one, but it's not as pigmented. I'm gonna make the transition really soft and seamless. So I'm gonna go straight into the dark shades because that's just how it seems to be that it is. I'm gonna go in with more of an ashy brown for my crease today. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here from the palette, and I'm taking that on my Sigma E25 blending brush. So I'm starting by packing on the color and blending it out, making sure that I don't really take it too far up. I'm gonna be taking that first blending brush that I used and a little bit more of the transition shade. I'm going to place that on top of that so it's not as harsh. Now I'm gonna be taking a flat shader Dose of Colors brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with more of a chocolatey brown shade. So I'm gonna be using this one right over here, and I'm gonna be putting this color all over the lid. It has a little bit of red in it, like a reddish brown. So I feel like it'll make my brown eyes pop a little more. I do think she was wearing contacts in her picture, so I'm gonna do my best to make my eyes a little browner. So now for the gel liner, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia waterproof cream color. It seems to me that she doesn't have a wing liner. I feel like the lashes are what's making it like super like smoky, but I don't know, I'm just gonna go with the flow. I might do like a little wing, but definitely her eyes are lined with eyeliner. So I think what I want to do is smoke out that liner like just at the end. So I'm taking black eyeshadow from the same palette and a smudger brush, and I'm going to be smudging that right on the outer corner. And of course, she literally put eyeliner all inside her eye. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing. I'm gonna be applying it in my top and lower lash line. I feel like this is where the transformation starts happening, when you actually put like liner in your waterline. It's like, I never ever do this, so when I do, I feel literally so weird. I'm gonna be taking that round shade and I'm gonna start smoking that in my lower lash line. I'm gonna take this off actually. Ooh, yes, I feel it. And then with the same tiny brush, I'm gonna be picking up the black shade again, and I'm gonna stamp that inside the waterline. Ooh, yes girl, yes. Feeling the Kim K vibe. Alright, now I'm taking my Benefit Bad Gal Lash Bang Mascara. And I'm really gonna make sure that I coat my lashes evenly. Even though we are gonna be applying fake lashes, we wanna make sure that the eyes are as dark as possible. And then for lashes today, I'm gonna be using my House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. Alright guys, to prep my skin, I'm gonna be using my FARSALI Volcanic Elixir because this is really, really hydrating. And because I am gonna be putting on a lot of products onto my skin, I wanna make sure that my skin stays really hydrated. And then for lips, I'm taking my KOPARI Lip Love Balm. For foundation today, I'm taking my Maybelline 24-Hour Stay Superstay Foundation. And I'm gonna be using the color 310. She is very, very tan. And I happen to be self-tan as well, so it works perfectly. So I did go in with my tannest foundation shade. That way when it oxidizes, I look a little bit more tan than I actually am. Alright guys, the lashes are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Ooh, yes. What do you guys think? Kim Kardashian approved? Yes. Alright guys, time to conceal and contour and just like do the whole shebang. Today I am using my Iconic London Cream Contour Palette. I haven't used a contour palette in literally months. I don't remember when was the last time that I used it. So I'm going to be taking the darkest shade from the palette in the corner. And I'm just going to work that onto my skin. Kim Kardashian is known for like her strong contour. So I am not going to be shy today, ladies and gents. And I'm using my LA Girl 108 synthetic brush. So I'm really making sure that I push that contour onto my hairline and then also my jawline. I'm gonna be using this brush to blend the contour out as well. Alright guys, and now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's more of a banana cream shade. And I'm gonna mix it a little bit with actually banana to lighten it up. And I'm gonna be using this to highlight my face. We going in, y'all, like the good old days. I remember when I first started doing like YouTube and stuff, I would legit do this to like my everyday routine. Like I thought I was killing the game. Also a little bit under my cheekbone to clean it up a little bit. She has really structured cheekbones. I'm going to enhance that as well. And then a little bit here on my forehead. Taking a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna be blending this out. Alright guys, and of course we have to literally bake the entire face. So I'm gonna be using my MAC and Patrick Star powder to bake underneath of my cheekbones. And then I'm gonna use a different one for my eyes. Actually, I'm gonna be using the same one. It's already here. I'm just gonna use the same one. Alright guys, while my face is continuing to bake, I'm gonna be using my HOOLA bronzer by Benefit. And I'm gonna really bronze up my cheeks with this color. And I'm really going to just bronze my cheeks, not so much contouring. We already did that with the cream contour. We just wanna bronze up the face. Also, a lot of bronzer on the forehead as well. And on my jawline as well. My face is too powdery. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Now I'm going to be applying my Benefit Bad Gal Lash Mascara onto my lower lashes. For highlight, I didn't notice that she had like a lot of highlight on. I'm just going to be doing the bare minimum, or at least try to do the bare minimum. I'm going to be using my Persona CALI Glow highlighter. And I'm taking my Sigma F42 fan brush. I'm just going to hit it like in the high points of my face. That's it. I'm not gonna apply anymore. A little bit on my nose, Cupid's bow, like a little bit on the forehead. For lips, I loved her lip combination. She has like a brown liner and then she has like a really nude shade in the middle. Alright guys, first I'm taking my MAC Strip Down lip pencil. I already tried a lip combination, but it was just way off. It was too dark and too cool tone. Hers is more soft and like more brown. And then for lipstick, I'm taking my Dose of Colors and Desi and Katie collab in the shade No Shade. And I'm going to just like stamp that on my lips just to give it more of a stained look. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys think that I was really close to her look and that it kind of looks the same. People are mowing my grass while I'm talking about Kim Kardashian. Like, why? I cannot wait to hear your feedback and see what you guys thought of me recreating this look. For any other recreations or inspirations, let me know down below. I love talking to you guys and I also love getting inspiration from my ballerinas. Always. As always, I will have other products that I use and mention listed down below along with their links and discount codes. And as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Loren. And that is it for today, guys. I love you so much. Muchos besitos y abrazos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.